Forget the old image trace. Say hello to Sketch to Vector. Think of it as Auto Trace 2.0. Currently in Illustrator Beta, this tool is expected to reach the standalone version any day now. It uses generative AI to turn rough drawings into production-ready paths instantly. Unlike the old way, this is non-destructive. Open Illustrator Beta. Place your image, JPEG, PNG, or even a photo from your phone. Select it, and look for the contextual taskbar at the bottom. If you don't see it, go to Window, Contextual Taskbar. This is where the magic happens. Click Sketch to Vector and type a simple prompt, like Convert to Vectors. Now here is a game changer. You can choose your AI model or let the default settings choose for you, which is Nano Banana Pro. The GPT models provide a solid baseline. For the highest level of precision and detail in your artwork, use Nano Banana 2 or Nano Banana Pro. To increase the level of detail, move the creative slider to the right. Once you hit Generate, the software will automatically redraw your sketch into clean, scalable vector paths. Give it a try. If you're not sure how to access the beta yet, check out my quick installation guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.